Hey everyone, welcome back to Talmi's lecture. I'm Talmi's Saeed, and today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that impacts our world in ways we might not even realize. Whether you're here for school, for fun, or just to learn something new, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the mysteries of Class Arachnida. By the end of this session, you'll gain a solid understanding of characteristics that set arachnids apart from other organisms. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get started. And if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Ready to learn? Let's jump in. Introduction. The class Arachnida is a group of joint-legged invertebrates within the phylum Arthropoda. Members of this class are commonly known as arachnids and include spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. Here are the general features that characterize arachnids. 1. Body structure. Segmented body. The body is typically divided into two main regions. Cephalothorax. Prosoma. The head and thorax are fused into a single structure, and it typically bears the eyes, mouthparts, and legs. Abdomen. Opisthosoma. This region contains the digestive and reproductive organs, and is often segmented, especially in scorpions, but may appear unsegmented in spiders. Exoskeleton. Arachnids have a hard exoskeleton made of chitin, providing protection and support. 2. Number of legs. Arachnids possess 8 legs, which distinguishes them from insects, which have 6 legs. These legs are jointed and are primarily used for locomotion. 3. Antennae. Arachnids lack antennae, unlike insects. Instead, they often have specialized sensory structures such as pedipalps or chelicerae, mouthparts, that help in detecting stimuli or handling prey. 4. Mouthparts. Chelicerae. These are the primary mouthparts and are often modified into pincers or fangs depending on the species. They are used for feeding, often to bite, grasp, or inject venom into prey. Pedipalps. These are paired appendages that are used for a variety of functions, including sensory detection, feeding, and mating. In some species, like scorpions, pedipalps are large and pincer-like. 5. Respiration. Arachnids generally respire via book lungs, in spiders, or tracheae, in some other arachnids like mites and scorpions. Book lungs are stacked, leaf-like structures found in the abdomen that allow gas exchange. Tracheae are tube-like structures that deliver oxygen directly to tissues. 6. Circulatory system. Arachnids have an open circulatory system, meaning their blood, hemolymph, is not confined to blood vessels but flows freely in body cavities, bathing organs directly. 7. Excretion. Malpighian tubules are the primary organs for excretion in arachnids. These tubules remove nitrogenous wastes and help in osmoregulation, maintaining water balance. 8. Vision. Most arachnids have several simple eyes, ocelli, which are typically arranged in rows on the cephalothorax. The number and arrangement of eyes can vary widely between species. Some arachnids, e.g., spiders, have relatively well-developed vision, while others, e.g., mites, rely more on tactile or chemical cues for navigation and hunting. 9. Reproduction. Arachnids reproduce sexually with distinct sexes in most species. Mating can involve complex courtship behaviors, and fertilization is internal. Females often lay eggs, and in many species, the eggs are guarded or cared for by the female. Thank you for joining me in this lecture today. We have covered 9 key features. If you're interested in diving deeper, check out the next video.